Welcome to Dreamy Future.
Hello friends, today we will learn a moral story. The story name is The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, there was an ant who worked hard all summer storing up food for the winter. Meanwhile, a grasshopper spent his days singing and playing, not thinking about the future. When winter came, the ant had more than enough food to survive, but the grasshopper found himself hungry and cold. He went to the ant and asked for help, but the ant replied, "I work hard to prepare for winter while you played all summer. Now you must face the consequences of your actions." The moral of the story is that hard work and preparation are important for the future. Thank you.